Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, very quickly, we're just going to be talking about the things that you can buy only in Ghana as a souvenir. As you all know, an important part of travel is being able to buy items from visited country or city to take back with you, kind of as a form of memento. So aside pictures and stuff, souvenirs are the only way, the only thing that can remind you of a trip or a vacation that you've had. So to me, the best places to get items from are, say, like the local market, which is directly from the makers. That's where I tend to get my stuff from, because I know that buying from high street shops is super expensive unless you have the money to spend. But usually the market and the people that make it, I buy directly from them, and it's very affordable. So I'm just going to quickly show you some of the things that you can buy, and then I'm going to show you another video, things to do with like dresses and, you know, more personal stuff and how to get things tailor-made. So I hope you enjoy this video. So these baskets are made in the northern region of Ghana with elephant grass. It can be used for grocery shopping, keeping your laundry, and it's basically traditionally woven by the male weavers from the Frafra tribe in Bolgatanga. So the kente has different textures. You have the ones that are like a cloth, and then you have the ones that are originally woven kentes. They're very popular cloth that you can use for weddings, any kind of occasion. They're traditionally owned by the Akan people of Ghana, who are based in Kumasi, and is the most popular fabric all around the country. Every color, as you can see, symbolizes something, and you can look at the beautiful styles that you can make with it. You can, you know, have it tailor-made. It can be sewn into anything that you want it to be. Well, the color yellow stands for the preciousness, the royalty, the wealth, fertility, and beauty. We have the purple, which is associated with the feminine aspects of life, usually worn by the women. You have gold, which is royalty, wealth, high status, glory, spiritual purity. You have the green, which is for vegetation, planting, harvesting, growth, spiritual renewal. You have blue, which is for peacefulness, harmony, and love. You have black, which is for maturation, intensify spiritual energy. And then you have like the red, which is political and spiritual moods, bloodshed and sacrificial rites and death. And then you have black, you have different colors. So Ghana is one of the largest and the biggest bead manufacturers in the whole world. Yes, I said in the whole world. The types of beads are the glass beads, the seashell beads, the powdered glass beads, which is known as the krobo. And the beads are used to make friendship bracelets, necklaces, anklets, waist beads. You can use it for anything. So drums are an important part of the culture in Ghana. It can be used to communicate, and it can be used for music and dance. There's different types of drums and instruments in Ghana, as you can see, which is just phenomenal. It plays a huge part in the music industry, traditionally and modern times. So this is what we call the adinkra. It's hand stamped with monochrome symbols. There's over 60 symbols used, and it's repping the tradition and the proverbs. So this is what we call the fugu shirts. It's made from the nation's other national cloth, which is gonja. It's traditionally woven and it's pretty heavy. It comes in stripes of different colors, and they do some for kids as well. So alongside paintings, you can find carvings and masks. They are created by wood and leather by master craftsmen, and it's very beautiful. You can hang them up in your house, or they do fruit bowls, they do ornaments, they do pretty much everything. It's dope. I always find art in Ghana insane. There's just a lot of talents when it comes to paintings and drawings. Like I've noticed and experienced some amazing drawings. You know, it's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. When it comes to music in Ghana, no matter how you're feeling, music is played everywhere. It brings life, it brings therapy, it brings a whole lot of stuff. And I think this is just one of the things that you know, especially if you want to learn a dance step that memorized you during your visit. They have different things like high life, hip life, reggae, gospel. Yeah, don't go without it. So black soap is a common item that can be found in the local market. It comes in different sizes. It's made with shea butter, ashes of bent plantain leaves, aloe vera, and shavings of palm nuts. It's organic, so there's no chemicals inside, and it treats blemishes, moisturizes, reduces scar, stretch marks, pretty much everything. So the Asanka bowls, I hope I said that right, is used as a sort of manual blender in preparation of ingredients for cooking. So grinding spices, things like that, and it can also be used to serve fufu, you know. Yeah.